condition of AND, which is equal to AND logical 1 and logical 2. We need to give logical 1 and 2. Here you can see it check all the arguments are true and returns true if all the arguments are true, which means ideally what are the logicals which you are providing, it check both the logics and then it should match by, which is both the values are true, then it will give you the result as true or else it will be the false. Okay, so now what I'm going to give the first logic is I'm going to check in our region is it east or not. Okay, so I'm just giving the type region is equal to, okay, region is not equal to central, and the second thing is again region should not be equal to lesser than and greater than symbol in combined is known as combination of these two is known as not equal to, and should not be the best one. Close the bracket and hit enter. You can see you can get the false wherever it is no, because in the if condition if it is no then it's a false. Like